The Catechism of Perseverance. Course 1, Chapter 7. Knowledge of God. God considered in His works. End of the third day and beginning of the fourth day of creation. Question. What else did God do on the third day? Answer. On the third day, God also created the trees of every kind. The earth, which thus far was only a vast prairie, became on a sudden an immense orchard, planted with every sort of trees, loaded with fruits of 1,000 different kinds. Question. Why has God created the fruit trees? Answer. God has created the fruit trees for our wants and our pleasure. He shows us His paternal tenderness by giving us, in fruits, a food as wholesome as it is pleasant and very cheap. And He shows His paternal tenderness also by sending us these fruits at the season when we most need them. Question. Did not God create other trees also? Answer. God created many other trees which do not furnish us with food. These trees are very useful. With their wood, we build houses and ships, make furniture and cook food. They afford us shade, purify the air, and charm the sight by the grandeur of their size and the beauty of their verdure. Question. Do we see all the riches of the earth? Answer. We do not see all the riches of the earth. The bowels of the earth are full of precious and useful metals, such as gold and iron. God has given us these metals to use, and not that we should attach our hearts to them. Question. What did God do on the fourth day? Answer. On the fourth day, God created the sun, the moon, and the stars. The sun to preside over the day, and the moon to preside over the night. Question. Why were the sun, moon, and stars not created until the fourth day? Answer. They were not created until the fourth day, to teach man that they are not the authors of the productions of the earth. God wished thereby to prevent idolatry. Question. Why is the sun so far removed from the earth? Answer. The sun is so far removed from the earth that it may give us light without dazzling the sight, and that it may warm without burning us. If the sun were nearer, the earth would be burnt and sterile. If it were farther, the earth would be frozen. The same thing would happen if the sun were either larger or smaller. Question. What further do you remark with respect to the sun? Answer. I remark that the sun rises and sets every day, runs his course with great velocity, illumines and vivifies all nature. It is in this an image of Christ, who having gone forth from the bosom of His Father, returned to heaven, after having enlightened all men by His doctrine, and sanctified them by His merits and example. Question. Does the sun rise every day at the same point? Answer. The sun does not rise every day at the same point, and this is the reason why the days are unequal. Each day, God marks the point where the sun shall rise and where it shall set, in order that He may dispense His heat and light upon the unjust as well as the just. Our Heavenly Father wished to teach us by this to love all men without exception, because they are all our brothers.